Hi, welcome to Lulu's World. If you are interested in seeing how I achieved this basic makeup look, please continue watching this video. And before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to be doing a very basic get ready with me to do my face up a little, some makeup. It's been a while since I did a full face because I've been working from home and nobody sees me, and it's just my days are just like wake up, have breakfast, go to class, training. So the only time I have available right now is the weekends, and depending on what I'm doing, like I don't really do much. Sometimes I go out with my sister and do like a girls' night or whatever, my sister and her friends. So maybe that'll do my makeup. But last night we went out for dinner, just the girls, and I didn't even have time to do my makeup, so I just did my brows, moisturizer. I think that was it. So today we're gonna do a little bit more. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I started this, I put on some of the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus all over my face and on my neck. And Tarte Double Duty Beauty Face Tape Foundation, which is in shade 27B Light Medium Beige. So what I do is I put some of it on the brush, like so, and I don't have a mirror here, so I'm just going with my viewfinder. Buff it in all over my face. I might have one beauty blender left to use, so maybe I'll use that to smooth it better, because this brush isn't like the best brush foundation I'm seeing. Whoa. I'm gonna add some more. Yeah, I see like the brush strokes. But my better brush that I would use for foundation is dirty right now, so I'm gonna switch brushes because this is just drawing streaks all over my face. It's good for a base, but not for my face. So this is my last beauty blender that I have from BAKERIE. So we're gonna go ahead and use it. I'll move my mirror out of the way. Alright, so I'm gonna dampen it a little bit so I can smooth this out on my face. I usually I prefer either my fingers or I don't want to use them right now because they're not as or one of my brushes that I like for foundation, but it's really dirty and I'm not putting it on my face today. So now I'm going to try to blend that in because it had all these streak lines on it from the brush. It's not nice. This is the It Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer in shade 13.0 Light Natural. And that's how you know it's neutral, I believe. And I'm going to not drop that. I did. Alright, I'm gonna just dab it like I usually do in the places where I want it the most. And then there. On my chin. I don't usually conceal much anymore because I don't feel like I need to. And continue with the beauty blender and blend it in. Nice. Now I'm going to get my setting powder. My setting powder from BECCA Cosmetics. And a brush. Is this one a good one? I'm going to use this one. This is the Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It says keep me close to keep me cool. Because when you use it, it has a really nice, refreshing, cooling sensation. You see the powder? And then just go over this. Especially when you're really going out wearing a mask, which I'm not doing anymore today. I'm done with going out. We looked at a couple houses, which were they were like total flops, so that's not happening. But I'm done with going out for the day. So this is just for you and myself and Daniel when he comes home. He went to the beach with his daughter to do their like nature things that they do. Take pictures. If there's anything worth taking pictures of. Alright, so that's that. And MILANI Baked Bronzer, which is my favorite drugstore bronzer. In number 04 Glow. Oh my. Do you hear that? Oh my goodness. There's a bunch of forest fires going on right now off the New Jersey Park, the Garden State Parkway. I don't know what's going on there, or unless they're going there to help. I don't know. I live relatively close to the parkway, so. And then just like buff it. I don't see what, I don't know what I'm doing because I can't see it. I don't know what I'm doing, but I can't see what I'm doing. All right. Marlena Snell, whatever her name is, Marlena, the owner of Makeup Geek, says that if you use your bronzer in like an upwards motion, it doesn't look like a beard. I'm still not sure if that's true or not, but that's what she says. So that's what I've been trying to do. Like on this area here, if you press it upwards, it doesn't look like a beard. So she says. And then my double chin. Here's the lie. Oh my goodness. To bring it down. Highlighting brush from It Cosmetics to do my nose. It's kind of big, but I figured why not. With the MILANI again. I almost picked up my phone to look, but I was like, wait a minute. And then I just try to do the bottom half, like this way down mostly. Focus on there. On both sides. And then a little bit down here on the tip. To try to elongate my nose if it even does anything. I don't know. I can't tell. Like make it more narrow. Not like it really needs it, but you know how the girls are. Gosh, this is MILANI. It faded. You see the knee. And then it's in shade 01 Dolce Pink. I love MILANI's powders. See, I really used this one. Swirl it around. Tap it around. Whatever you want to do it, we're going to make it around. Tap that off. Ooh. Wait, where's my mirror? That's not bad. My nose a little. My chin. My forehead. That time looks a little more rosy. I don't know. So this is from a brand called RealHer. I got it in a box box. It's very thin. RealHer Definer Brow Pencil. One side's the spoolie and the other side's the pencil. So I'm gonna spoolie my brow first. I might have some product on it, which makes my life easier. And like trying to like make them so that they're neat and nice and neat. That's what happens when you get older. Okay. And then take the pencil part and fall on the floor. And try to like color it in the parts that are like white in the front here. Mostly. It's either white or gray, I don't know. I don't know how to do my brows like the proper way. I just do it my way and hope it looks good. So now I'm gonna go over it with the brow gel. Oh, I don't like this. And I'm gonna go in with the. Alright, I'll do this one today. My Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in shade Cypher, which to me is like, excuse me, like the blackest of blacks. Excuse me, or like a really dark black brown. Which is left in here, God knows. And seems like it's getting empty. Then over that. Probably should have done it to begin with, but I try. So that's that one. Okay. So these are my brows. This one looks much thicker. Interesting. Oh my god, it looks weird. Ay, 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 ay. And I'm gonna grab my bronzer again and use this for some eyeshadow, just for a little color on my eyelids area, and concentrate on the crease. Like I said, it's very basic. I am not a makeup artist, as you can see. And then do my other eye. Looks decent. My Revolution, not this brush. Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in shade Just My Type. To me, this is a good dupe for BECCA's Champagne Pop highlighter. So we're going to use another Luxie makeup, Luxie eye brush. It's number 209 large shader. Forgot what the other one was. Put it down, but it's okay. This one's very hard. Damn. So I just picked it because of the size. Go in there and do the area beneath my brow bone. And then the other one, feels like it's falling apart. It's from ColourPop. It's very loose. Try to tighten it and do my face. This area. It's very wow. And then this one here. I'm gonna go like this like I used to back in the day. And then a little bit down my nose. My chin. Here. And that's it. Then we have to do my... So I'm gonna wear, and we're going for like a basic look. This is also from Tarte. It's their Crystal Crème lip crayon in shade Creativity. I just thought this was so pretty when I ordered this online. And oh, it looks like this. Tastes like minty. It tastes kind of like peppermint. It's minty. Tastes good. And it's easy to put on. With some of whatever's left in this, and I cannot find it anymore. I'm not even gonna bother looking for it on Amazon because it's probably not available there anymore. But I love this for the smell primarily. It's the Morphe times Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist in Starberry Scent. I love it. Mine's almost empty. Ready? I almost want to taste it. It just smells so good. So, and I got a hair caught in there. Oopsies. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. Lulu's World. Welcome to my world. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all soon. Bye.